Welcome to today's story, The Fear of Falling. Get ready to follow Anna on a journey where courage grows each time she lets go. Anna had spent her whole life running from the fear of falling until the day she discovered that the only way to rise was to let herself fall first. What begins as a trembling step into a climbing gym soon becomes a journey of courage, trust, and unexpected freedom. Anna had always been terrified of falling. It wasn't just heights that made her knees weak and her heart race. It was the thought of losing control, of hitting the ground, of the pain that might follow. This fear held her back in countless ways. She avoided climbing trees as a child, skipped roller skating with her friends as a teenager, and steered clear of anything remotely adventurous as an adult. One day, her best friend Clara invited her to try a beginner's rock climbing class. Anna refused at first, but Clara's persistence eventually wore her down. "It's safe," Clara said, "and you'll be harnessed the whole time. You can't fall far." Reluctantly, Anna agreed. When they arrived at the climbing gym, her palms were sweaty, and her heart was already racing. The instructor, a calm and encouraging woman named Mia, noticed Anna's hesitation. "What's your biggest fear?" Mia asked kindly. "Falling," Anna admitted, her voice barely above a whisper. Mia smiled gently. "Then, that's exactly what we're going to do today." Anna's eyes widened in horror. "What do you mean?" Mia explained. "The best way to overcome the fear of falling is to fall on purpose. Little by little, you'll learn that falling isn't the end of the world. It's part of the process." At first, Anna refused. The very idea sounded absurd, but after some coaxing, she agreed to try just one controlled fall. With her harness securely fastened and the safety rope held tight by Mia, Anna climbed a few feet off the ground. Her heart pounded as she let go and felt herself drop. She didn't hit the ground. Instead, the harness caught her, holding her safely in place. Her heart still raced, but she was unharmed. Over the next few weeks, Anna practiced falling. Each time, she climbed a little higher and let go, trusting the harness and the ropes to catch her. At first, it was terrifying, but with each fall, her fear lessened. Something unexpected happened along the way. Anna began to enjoy climbing. The act of reaching for the next hold, of pushing herself higher, became exhilarating. And when she did fall, it no longer felt like failure. It felt like part of the journey, an opportunity to try again. One day, after months of practice, Anna reached the top of a challenging wall. As she stood there, looking down, she realized something profound. Falling wasn't what had held her back all those years. It was the fear of falling, the fear of the unknown. By learning to fall, Anna had discovered a greater truth. Sometimes, the only way to rise is to let yourself fall first. Thanks for your company. Like and subscribe for more stories.